Audi India has finally announced the launch date for the e-tron electric SUV, and the model will go on sale on the 22nd of July 2021. The Audi e-tron is the brand's first all-electric offering in the country and will take on the Mercedes-Benz EQC and the Jaguar I-Pace in the segment. The e-tron SUV looks sharp with a massive single-frame grille, matrix LED headlamps with LED DRLs, and a conventional roofline. The rear profile gets wraparound LED tail lights connected end-to-end. The SUV uses two electric motors that develop 355 brake horsepower and 561 Nm of peak torque. This goes up to 408 brake horsepower and 664 Nm of peak torque in the boost mode. The electric offering can sprint from 0 to 100 km per hour in 6.6 seconds with a top speed of 200 km per hour. Audi claims a range of 452 km on a single charge from the 95 kWh battery pack. It can be fully charged in 8.5 hours using a regular charger. The new Audi e-tron will be priced between 1 crore and 1.2 crores ex-showroom India. Volvo Cars India has launched its new car subscription program in the country. The Swedish luxury car maker announced the introduction of its new Subscribe to Safety program via its social media platforms. At the moment, it is available only in Delhi and Gurugram regions. Under the new program, customers can subscribe for either a brand new model or a pre-owned Volvo car, with subscription plans starting from 12 months onwards. Volvo Cars India will be offering the XC40, XC60, XC90 and the new S60 sedan under the new car fleet. Meanwhile, the pre-owned car fleet includes the XC40, XC60 and the XC90. Details regarding the subscription fee and tenure have not been revealed yet. However, the company has partnered with car leasing provider Oryx for the same. Auto giants Maruti Suzuki and Hero MotoCorp have announced that they will be hiking the prices across their respective product portfolio very soon. Maruti Suzuki India will increase prices in the second quarter of the financial year. However, the company is yet to disclose the quantum of the price hike. Meanwhile, Hero MotoCorp will increase prices from the 1st of July 2021. The increment will be up to 3,000 rupees and the exact quantum will vary depending on the model. Both Indian auto giants cited an increase in input costs as the primary reason for the price hike, which warranted some of the impact to be passed on to customers.
Hey folks, I hope you liked this video. Please leave a comment and tell us just how much you liked it. If you didn't like it, well, also leave us a comment so we know exactly what we should be improving. Your feedback is like gold for us.